Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Dodge RAM window switch, updated. Disconnect the battery before you begin and keep the key away to prevent accidental power. Gather a multimeter, trim tools, and a replacement switch or connectors. Work in a dry, well-lit area and label connectors to avoid mistakes. If you feel unsure at any point, pause and seek professional help to avoid damage or injury. Start by testing the switch with a multimeter set to continuity and voltage modes. Remove the door panel gently and unplug the switch harness to avoid bending clips. Probe the switch terminals while an assistant cycles the switch to observe readings. Note any inconsistent signals or no continuity, which indicate a faulty switch. Keep all screws and clips organized so reassembly is straightforward and quick. If tests show a defective switch, swap it with an OEM or quality aftermarket unit matched to your RAM. Clean or replace any corroded connectors, using crimp or solder joints with heat shrink for durability. If the switch checks fine, bench test the window motor by supplying 12V briefly to avoid heat buildup. Reinstall components carefully, reconnect the battery, and confirm smooth window operation before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.